Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up GAMESIR Wi-Fi Range Extender, the WPS Push Button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, unpack, extender, quick guide, maybe an Ethernet cable. Plug the GAMESIR extender into the wall socket near the router. Wait for the power LED to become steady. This can take 10 to 40 seconds. If it flashes rapidly or never becomes steady, unplug TENS and retry. On the router, locate the WPS button. It may be on the front or back and labeled WPS, or have a 2 arrows icon. Press the WPS button on the router once. Don't hold it down for many seconds, a single short press is usually correct. Long pressing may trigger a router reset on some models. The router will enter WPS mode for a short window, commonly about 2 minutes. Its WPS LED may blink rapidly, this indicates pairing is open. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the GAMESIR extender once. Do not hold it down for greater than 5 seconds unless manual says otherwise. Holding sometimes triggers factory reset on some models. The extender's WPS or signal LED should start blinking, this shows it's trying to pair. Wait, pairing usually takes 30 to 90 seconds. Successful, extender's signal/Wi-Fi LED becomes solid, or changes color to indicate a good connection. Failure, LEDs revert or show a persistent red/amber, if so, try again. Once paired, unplug the extender. Move it to a spot between your router and weak signal area. Setup completed. Your GAMESIR Wi-Fi range extender is now successfully connected using the WPS method. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.